Welcome to another video. Now in this current video we're going to explore the differences between kilowatts and kilowatt hours. Now this is a misconception that many professionals tend to have, whether you're an electrical engineer, you are a physics student. If you want to differentiate between kilowatts and kilowatt hours, then this video will help you do so. If you're trying to save money in terms of the electricity bills at the end of the month, now it's very important to know how to calculate the kilowatt hours, which we're going to be learning about in the upcoming video. So make sure that you currently subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the latest update. So let's get to the lesson where we explore the differences between kilowatts and kilowatt hours.
So let's explore the difference between kilowatts and kilowatt hours, starting by segregating both of them, kilowatts and kilowatt hours. What do they stand for and what is the difference? Now let's break it one piece at a time in order to help us get the bigger picture. Now kilowatts, most probably you have heard at one point in time that it means 1000 watts, and 1000 watts stand for joules per second, where we have 1000 joules per second means 1000 watts. And when we have energy, which is represented by joules, over time, it means we are talking about power. And most probably you have heard that kilowatts or watts stands for power. But you might be asking yourself, okay, now kilowatt hours has the same thing. It has kilowatts in them, so they should mean power. Wrong. There's a difference between saying kilowatts and kilowatt hours, where kilowatts stands for a unit of measurement for power. However, kilowatt hours, you will see right now, there's a difference between both. Let's break them down the same way. Now, kilowatts stands for 1000 watts multiplied by 1 hour, correct? Now 1000 watts stands for 1000 joules per second multiplied by, we're going to change the hour to seconds to maintain the consistency, because we have joules per second. We're going to be multiplying it by 3600 seconds, because every minute got 60 seconds in them, and we got 60 minutes in an hour. So we have 3600 seconds. Now the seconds are going to be cancelled out with each other from the mathematics point of view. If you have 1 over x multiplied by x, you'll end up by 1, because x will be cancelled with x. So what do we have left? We have 1000 joules multiplied by 3600. Now you will notice we do have a number, and the only unit which is present is joules. Now this is quite interesting. Now let's completely expand it out. We do have 3,600,000 joules. So what do you notice is 1 kilowatt hour is going to be providing me with 3,600,000 joules. So what do you notice in this current point? That joules is basically energy. So in other words, kilowatt hours is a unit of measurement for energy and not power. For kilowatts by itself, we use it to measure power, but kilowatt hours is a unit of measurement of energy. And the main difference lies in time, the factor or the aspect of time. When we're taking a look at kilowatts, we are referring to energy consumed in a specific period of time. But when you talk about kilowatt hours, because we are multiplying by time, we are eliminating the effect of time and we're focusing on energy only. So kilowatts is a unit of measurement for power, while kilowatt hours is a unit of measurement for energy.
And I truly hope that you found this lesson quite helpful and beneficial. And if you did, make sure that you like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your own feedback. And if you want to learn about a specific subject that you are curious to learn about, make sure that you mention that as well, because definitely we have something that we can teach you and share the knowledge pool with you. And on that note, we're going to be wrapping up this video, and we'll see you in the upcoming lesson.